Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I last posted a full-length video. So today's Saturday. I'm going to clean. I'm gonna do some work. I'm going to go to the storage, to our storage unit, and I'm thinking about going to watch The Little Mermaid later, but I don't know if Richard is gonna be down for it. He just left for work, so I have the whole house to myself, so I'm just gonna get things done right now, and that's about it. I'm done cleaning, so now I'm just gonna make some plátanos with salchichas. Now I'm driving to the storage. I'm gonna go pay it, and then after that I want to go to Best Buy and I want to get a memory card for my GoPro. Alright then. I wanted to get the suction cup for the GoPro for the car, but $36 when I could get that on Amazon for cheaper. It just didn't make sense. So I'm just gonna order it on Amazon, and now I'm gonna head home. I'm going to start my work because I'm going out tonight with Richard. We're gonna go watch the fight, the Amanda Nunes fight, so we won't be seeing the movie. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I just got out of Panera. I came here because I wanted to do some work. I accomplished that. I did some work. I had some delicious food, but I started to feel cold, and now I'm going home. I didn't finish vlogging yesterday because me and Richard, we ended up going to Buffalo Wild Wings. We had a great night. Congrats to him. He plays bets on each fight. He won, which is amazing, and he got a good chunk of change back, which is nice. Kudos to him. And now I'm just gonna go home. I'm gonna continue my work, and I'll see you guys when I get to the house.
He said to the tiger, "The grass is blue." The tiger replied, "No, the grass is green." The discussion heated up, and the two decided to went before the lion, the king of the jungle. The donkey began to shout, "Your Highness, is it true that the grass is blue?" The lion replied, "True, the grass is blue." The donkey continued, "The tiger disagrees with me and contradicts and annoys me. Please punish him." The king then declared, "The tiger will be punished with 5 years of silence." The donkey jumped cheerfully and went on his way. The tiger accepted his punishment, but before he asked the lion, "Your Majesty, why have you punished me? After all, the grass is green." The lion replied, "In fact, the grass is green." The tiger asked, "So why are you punishing me?" The lion replied, "That has nothing to do with the question of whether the grass is blue or green. The punishment is because it is not possible for a brave and intelligent creature like you to waste time arguing with a donkey, and on top of that come and bother me with that question. The worst waste of time is arguing with the fool and fanatic who does not care about truth or reality, but only the victory of his beliefs and illusions. There are people who, no matter how much evidence we present to them, are not in the capacity to understand, and others are blinded by ego, hatred, and resentment, and all they want is to be right even if they are not.